Hey guys, welcome back to the This Is All Skate Shop YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna tell you everything about wheel maintenance. Inside the wheel is a metal piece with some small balls that make the wheel roll. It's called a bearing, and these bearings are very likely to rust if you skate in the rain. You need to replace them often. We have an entire video about how to treat your bearings, how to maintain them, or what to do if you need to replace them. The wheel itself doesn't rust, so you can skate in the rain, your wheels will be fine. But wheels do need some maintenance because sometimes the axles or the frame bolt, which attaches the frame to the boot, they will slowly start to turn loose. And you can notice this because if I put my skate on here, it's like a solid sound. And if I open the wheels a little bit, the sound will be a little bit like a high-pitched noise. You hear it? So if you hear like a high ticking noise in your skate, something's wrong and you need to tighten the axle. What does happen is that wheels, they wear down. And if your wheels are totally worn down, of course you can buy new wheels. But there are some nuances that I want to tell you, because there's actually two ways of your wheels wearing down. One is that they wear down to the side. The second thing is that if you skate for a while, the outer wheels will become smaller. So what people do to prevent this from happening is to change their wheels. Let me first talk about wheels that wear down to the side and how to solve this problem, or not solve it. If you want to keep your wheels nice and round, then you can just flip your wheels in its own spot. You just flip the wheel to the other side. Or you can put the left front wheel in the right front skate. Another way to do it is just to take off the frame and change frames completely, and then you also kind of like fix this problem. Me personally, I don't really mind my wheels getting worn down a little bit, and also if you skate properly, then you also limit the way it wears down a lot. This has to do with the push. So if you're like a beginner and you skate really wide, then you will wear it down a lot. But if you're an advanced skater, you do a double push, and then because you do a lot more edging movements in your stride, you will wear it also down more gradually. So the second way the wheels wear down is that the outer wheels wear down faster than the middle wheels, and this creates a rocker. The word rocker means going back and forth. I can actually move to the back and then my front wheels are free, or I can move to the front and then my last two wheels are free. There's also a thing called a flat rocker, and this is how most skates come if they're brand new, is that if you press on it, all four wheels touch the ground and none can spin individually. So any flat rocker after skating for a while will become a rocker. The difference between a flat rocker or a rocker in skating is that the flat rocker is faster. So if you want to go as fast as possible, then it's wise to change your wheels so that your middle wheels are on the outside. So you change it like this. This is how you change wheels. However, me personally, I love to have a rockered skate because it makes you more maneuverable. You can do a lot more fun, wizardy gazelle moves like this. If you have a really long wheelbase, then it's a lot more fun to have a rocker because then it makes you more maneuverable. But that's why I personally choose 100mm wheels, really big like this. And then normally if you have 100mm wheels with the flat rocker, you're not maneuverable at all. But because I have the rocker, I can still play around and have a lot of fun. And because I have the big wheels, I'm fast and I have a long wheelbase. So meaning that I'm really stable because my frame is really long. And with this frame, the rocker is already built in. So my wheels are brand new, but they have the rocker built in because of the frame. So my wheels are not worn down but my frame is providing the rocker. There's also another brand right now that we sell. It's called the ENDLESS Frames. They also have a rocker built in with the long wheelbase. But if you want to make like a poor man's wizard skate, like a cheap rocker, I would recommend to get a 90mm skate like this, and then just wear out the outer wheels, and then you have your own wizard skate, rocker skate.
Okay, nice.
Wist helemaal niet dat ik dat kon.
Oosh. Okay, so to summarize, wheels can handle some water. Make sure you tighten your axles and your frame bolts. If you want to change your wheel positions to prevent this from happening, you can. It's your choice. I personally don't mind it. If you actually like maneuverability, I recommend getting a long wheelbase, because so that you're super stable. Unless you do slalom and you want to be like really flexible, you can get like an 80mm wheelbase with the rocker and just have fun and play around. Do you skate anti-rocker or flat rocker? Let me know in the comments, because I'm interested to see what people are riding. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Welke kant op